Hey guys, today I'm gonna make a comparison video between Samsung Eg920 earphone versus Nokia's stereo earphone, which is WH-301. Without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, we talk about build quality. Samsung provides you a very good quality tangle-free wire. You can see that, which is 1.2 meter. And also Samsung controller has 3 keys: volume up and down, and this key is used for play and pause music. But Nokia does not provide a tangle-free wire, and its wire is 1.1 meter long. Its controller has only one button, which is used as play and pause music or receiving calls. Samsung's this part is made of plastics and its cushion is quite comfortable. Also, the Nokia's cushion is comfortable to wear, and this part is made of metal. Now let's talk about technical specs. Samsung provide you 12 mm dynamic driver, which is good for bass and sweet treble, and it has impedance of 32 ohms, which is very good, and frequency range is 20 to 20 kHz. And Nokia provides you 10 mm of dynamic driver, which provides you spacious sound and good quality of treble. It has an impedance of 16 ohm, which is quite low in comparison to Samsung, but at this price point Nokia should have to give 32 ohm. It has a frequency range of 20 to 20 kHz. Let's check out the sound quality of this earphone. Please wear your earphone to check the sound quality. In first, I'm gonna play music in Samsung. Let's start.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now I'm gonna start playing music in Nokia's earphone. Let's start.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
In my opinion, Samsung provides you richer quality of sounds and Nokia provides you spacious sound. I think you should go for Samsung Eg920, but it depends on your own choice. I put the link in the description below. Check out if you are interested. Thank you for watching video. I hope you enjoyed my videos. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye.